Wow, check this out. It's so amazing. You know what? This is gonna be the best day ever. Let's do something awesome together. Hey, little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to make you feel strong and happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. And let's begin. breathe so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon.